I have news coming in from the state of Bengal. This is from Kolkata's Aryadaha area. We are told that one of the main accused has been arrested for assault. Accused Laltu has been seen thrashing a man in the video. Another aide of TMC Neta is also in the dock for this assault. Earlier, remember, the Bharatiya Janata Party had jumped in on a video claiming that TMC Neta's aide were thrashing a woman. You look at that video on your screen. BJP had been circulating this widely, saying and claiming that these goons are close to TMC, they're close aides, and who they are arresting and thrashing brutally. You can hear the screams, is a young woman. TMC had claimed, remember at that point, this is an old video, 2021, men are allegedly in custody, they were arrested, and it may not be a woman either. Another aide of TMC Neta has now been arrested for the assault. It is an undated video. Both the BJP and the TMC were in a full-on showdown on that. Ritik Mondal sends us this ground report.
Multiple videos surfaced on social media and that went viral, showing innocent men and women were thrashed brutally inside this particular club. We are currently in front of that particular location where allegedly such crime took place. This particular club is associated with the local TMC MLA and a very prominent leader of Mamata Banerjee's party, that is Madan Mitro. And some of the close associates of that leader have been arrested. Police have identified at least 8 people in several incidents. Those were involved, allegedly beating up innocent men and women, though police are yet to ascertain the victims. Those were thrashed inside this particular place. Many people are telling us that this particular place where several incidents of thrashing and beating up people for several issues did happen earlier also, in which the name of the Trinamool Congress party's leaders are being associated, and which is why a huge political, war of words between BJP and TMC has started over here with regard to this issue. With camera person Shatoki, this is Ritik for India Today. क्या हुआ था, किस तरीके से जैन सिंह और उसके जो गुंडे हैं आपके ऊपर मारपिटाई की थी, कब हुआ था याद?
ये तकरीबन 1 साल का बात है। ये 2023 का 29 जून वो हम ऑफिस के लिए निकल रहा था, तो वो लोग एक गली से निकल के पहले हमको फायरिंग किया, हम गिर गया। उसके बाद रॉड लाठी मेसिन का जो पीछे वाला हिस्सा होता है उसको देके मार धोड़। मेरा भगवान था जो मेरे को बचा के लेके आया।
तो क्या मांग थी, कारण क्या थी? सरेआम आपको पीटा गया, कितने लोग थे?
कारण नहीं थे, आपको हम बताया। कारण हम जो एरिया में व्यवसाय करता है, हम लोग का जो पार्टनर लोग है, उसका ऊपर जुल्म कर रहा था, हम अटका रहा था। नहीं, उसको पैसा काहे देगा, वो कौन सा बड़ा गुंडा है, उसको पैसा देना होगा। वो तो चाह रहा था कि वो एरिया में घुसे, मगर वो एरिया में तो हमारे लिए नहीं घुस पा रहा था कि बुम्बा प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है तो बुम्बा को मारो, सेस करो उसको।
Ritik Mondal is joining me now for the latest on that. Ritik, what details do you have about this video specifically? It appears not one but 2 videos have surfaced, because didn't the TMC try to say that this was an old video? They have been arrested already.
Well, definitely, Pooja, the thorough investigations are underway, and what more we are picking up that Barakpur police have arrested one more prime accused, that is Prashanjit Das, aka Laltu, who has been absconding since another video assaulting a man inside that particular Aryadaha club surfaced on social media. Now Laltu has been arrested last night, and he was the person who was seen in that particular video assaulting a boy. In both the cases that police is yet to ascertain the victims, but we know that at least 8 or 9 people have been identified for assaulting men and women, and several videos have surfaced. Now a huge political war of words has been initiated, has been erupted over this issue. As per this Laltu is concerned, we are told that he was a close associate of Jain Singh, the TMC strongman, who was turned into a threatening people, beating up. We also spoke to some of the victims of that area who were subjected to crime, this particularly Jayanth's gang, and these particular people were associated with Madan Mitra, because who else from that area? He is the local MLA of that area. Police investigation underway. We are given to understand that several other people or associates of this Jayant Singh's gang are still absconding. Police is trying to nab them. But another, big arrest has been made yesterday, and this particular Prasenjit Dash will be produced before, court today, and later on he will be taken to police custody for more investigations.
Ritik, keep tracking the case. Law and order is the prime significance which represents how a state is functioning, and perhaps this is very disturbing to say the least, and will raise a lot of questions of what's unfolding.